Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video from Linh Duy Quang. In today's video, I am going to answer a question from one of my students. He sent me an optext file and inside it there are two squares like this. He wants to know how to remove the detail linking feature because when he splits this detail in half and edits one side, the other side changes as well. So, I will make a video and share the solution with you. And please remember to subscribe to Linh Duy Quang's channel to support it, because I know you've watched many videos on Linh Duy Quang's channel already, but you haven't subscribed yet. So please hit the subscribe button to support Linh Duy Quang. This is a very useful detail linking feature in the Optic software. For example, if you draw an internal line here, and you want to cut directly at this internal line, then you will use the cut along interval command. And at this point, when you adjust one side, the other side will automatically adjust as well. But if you now want to turn off this feature, you will go to the tool, free button, and you will go into the section that is, yes, get familiar with it. First, select these two lines for me, then set them both to none. Switch the language to Vietnamese, click apply and click OK. Now you can start drawing right here. Just draw in this area. There you go. The line that you need to cut, and you cut it. Now it has already disabled that feature. Whichever side you adjust, it will be applied to that side. Okay, remember to hit subscribe to support Linh Duy Quang's channel. Goodbye and see you in the next sharing videos.